Do's and don'ts on the road. Let's check out. Do's on the road. Always follow. Walk on the footpath. Cross at the zebra crossing. Wear a helmet or seat belt. Follow traffic lights. Green, go. Yellow, slow down. Red, stop. Obey road signs. Stop signs, speed limits, and school zone signs are for your safety. Don'ts on the road. Never do. Don't cross the road suddenly. Always check both sides and use proper crossings. Don't run on the road. Walk calmly and carefully. Don't use mobile phones while walking or driving. Don't break signals or speed limits. It's dangerous and can cause accidents. Don't park in no parking zones. It blocks traffic and causes problems for others.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.